2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power driver's seat. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.